So hi guys, today we will learn how to make a beautiful image. So this is the image that I already made in my uh, origin, but the problem with this image, for example, the size of this image is 25 or 11. Okay, and when I click inside, and this size is 18 and 11. Okay, first of all, remember this. But the problem of this image is when I, for example, export this image. Okay, for example, I'm going to export this as an example. So this is raw. Here give the name, and here to save the location, and here to have a resolution like 1200. And now I will export this to the specific folder. So okay, it is done. So close this, and now I will come towards my R. So it was in my XPS folder with the name R. Okay, so now I'm going to make it copy, and this is my slides. I make this slide that is equal to the word size. Okay, so let me also show you this, how to do this. Go to the design and go to the slide size, customize. So this size is 17 and 19. So what do you mean by this? When it means that when you paste some picture here, it will be exactly the size of your Word file. Okay, that's why you need to reduce the size so that you exactly know what the size you need to make and how it looks like in your PPT. Because if it looks like good in your PPT, it will be also looks good and visible, and also in the Word also. So okay, so this was about it. So I already let's copy this, and then let me go to the home and new. Okay, so you can see here, yeah, so this is looking very big. So if, for example, let me crop it, if I going to crop, you can see this is not looking visible. Okay, it's not that much visible from my side. And then now it's the final. Still I need to reduce the size. Okay, so you can see if this is my image A, I cannot see what is this very clearly, and also not, it's little bit looking blurred. Okay, so how to avoid this issue? So I have this image, original image. Let me click here. I will click here. Here I need to reduce the size 11, and here is 9. I will do it, make it okay. So it will appear like this, and then I will make size. Here I will reduce size to 9, and here is centimeter, remember, and 7. Apply it. Okay, so I applied it. You also need always to make size this one, like it looking 16, 18, and this one you need to make bold by clicking this one, like by clicking this and this, select, and then you select one by one this, and then select this, and then select, not all together, this, and then select this, because I already did it, so I don't need to do it again. Now okay, this picture is ready, is like this, and also 18. Now let me export the graph. Okay, export. It's PNG. It's R2, and it's in again. No, sorry, in the same. And this is the size, and then I apply. Okay, so now let me take it from the, so this is my, for example, I will copy it and will paste it here. So this was our previous one. Let us look our new one, so you can see very big difference between the new one and the previous one. Okay, so thank you very much for your attention. Bye.